Ko te ara, kia hine nui te pō. E rā nehunga o te rangatira a Sharon Hawke I mate mai I Hāmua.
Was that her favourite place?
It's her favourite place. It was also her birthday on Monday. So I hinga ia I te praere, ko tōna rā whānui I te mani. So they were there to celebrate her birthday. And none of us, especially her, thought that she was going to leave us there.
Nā te karana tahi tonu a Sharon, te kai karana, I te ipu whitu pōro o te ao.
Katahi anō, kua hoki mai au mai rānana. And so Taiaha and Sharon were those forces behind me, reminding me that kei au te reo o taku kuia.
Ko Sharon, te tamahine a Joe Hawke, nāna iarahi tōna iwi o Ngāti Whātua.
She was one of the 222 people that were arrested on the day. And she never stopped. She continued to support our iwi, to stand up, to take charge.
And as chair, you know, it can be quite a lonely place sometimes, especially around some of the decisions that we have to make, but she always had my back and I always loved her for that.
He tohuna ka we pūrono aia mo nā take Māori.
I met her in 1989 when she worked on the Te Manako Māori, the first ever Māori drama series. And I knew straight away that she was a young leader in the making.
Nui ngā wā kaha poipoi, kaha whana iei taku tau. Hoi anō, he whana anō I roto I te aroha.
Ko tahi wāhine e pērā ana a Sharon. Wāhine rere ke, hehi ana ia te tēnei te āhuatanga o ngā mea katoa engari I te āhua pai me te wairua pai.
Generally, she was a huge voice in the rainbow community. I remember at Albert Park and the Owl March. She was speaking up for the people who may not have a voice, and always proud, always colourful, and always bringing everyone down to march with her through those times.
I hoi a wairua aia I te moana o te wai te mata. Ko tahi rau kai hoe, hei poroporo a ki tēnei rangatira o te iwi, Taroi Black, mātuia.